Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2025, or excuse me, 2026. I'm still used to 2025, so sorry about that. At 12:54. And today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for today. So, for tomorrow's outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Texas, most of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, parts of southeastern Arkansas, western Alabama. So we do have those areas under a slight risk. And then we have a marginal risk that extends from parts of eastern Texas through parts of central Arkansas into much of middle Tennessee, parts of northern Mississippi, northern to central Alabama, the extreme western Florida Panhandle, northwestern Georgia, extreme western North Carolina, central Kentucky, parts of extreme southern Illinois and extreme southern Indiana, as well as extreme eastern Missouri. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms tomorrow. So we have New Orleans, Birmingham, Baton Rouge, Jackson, and Monterey under the slight, and Houston, Austin, Memphis, Nashville, and Atlanta under the marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 5% that encompasses parts of Louisiana, central to eastern Louisiana, southern to central Mississippi, and western Alabama. We have a 2% that extends from eastern Texas into parts of southern and northern Louisiana, parts of southeastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, southern, central, and northern Alabama, northwestern Georgia, extreme western North Carolina, much of middle Tennessee and western Tennessee, southern Kentucky, and it looks like that's it. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. So we have New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Jackson, Monterey, and Lafayette under the 5%. And Houston, Memphis, Nashville, Birmingham, and Montgomery is under the 2%. So we could see a brief EF1 tornado possible in the 5% area tomorrow. And we could see a brief EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. So please be mindful of that for tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that extends from parts of eastern Texas, much of Louisiana, much of Mississippi, parts of southeastern Arkansas, western to central Alabama. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Texas, parts of southern to northern Louisiana, parts of southeastern to central Arkansas, much of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, parts of southern central to northern Alabama, northwestern Georgia, extreme western North Carolina, southern to central Kentucky, southern Illinois, and extreme southern Indiana, as well as southeastern Missouri. So we do have those areas under a 5% for wind tomorrow. So we have New Orleans, Birmingham, Baton Rouge, Jackson, and Monterey under the 15%, and Houston, Austin, Memphis, Nashville, and Atlanta under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% area for tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% encompassing eastern Texas, all of Louisiana, parts of central to southern Mississippi, and parts of western Alabama, as well as the extreme western Florida Panhandle, as well as southeastern Arkansas. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. So we have Houston, Austin, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Shreveport under the 5% for tomorrow. So we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow in the 5% area. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says severe thunderstorms are forecast on Friday for the central Gulf Coast into parts of the lower Mississippi, Tennessee, and Ohio valleys. So anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, it may be there is a slight, but yes, even in the marginal risk, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Excuse me, take today to prepare for tomorrow. And I will have this outlook again tomorrow morning. We'll go over it tomorrow morning one more time. Excuse me, when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, take today to prepare for tomorrow, and take care.